Love is an open door.
아니 좋아했어.
What the? Who are you? What do you want?
아니 좋아했어. Help me, please.
I don't want to rob Elsa. I can help you. Oh!
These are the tools. Take me to Elsa, please.
I need some money. Can you give me some money? Oh.
Sorry. No. Please take me to the mountain. You should take me right now.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, thank you.
Oh, don't put your shoes. It's mine.
Ew.
Why do you want to rob Elsa?
Well, my sister took everything from me. All the money. I'm so mad at her. So, I don't have money right now. I can't do anything. Because I don't have any money.
Why Elsa?
Well, I came out of home, and Elsa came and took everything from me.
Hey, why are you run away from home? Are your father worried about you?
Hey, wait a moment. My father never worries about me. She's so mad at me right now, so I can't go in.
Did you say she for father?
I'm so sorry. It was just a mistake, you know.
Oh yeah, is it?
Yes, it is.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Is it?
It's right.
Is it?
It is.
Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it?
Hey, stop it.
Yeah.
You are a naughty boy.
Yeah, I'm.
You are a naughty boy. I can prove it.
Yes, it is.
It's quite simple. Hey, hello.
Yeah, I will ignore you.
Okay, that was boring, but I can prove it.
Be quiet.
No. I mean I
Be
can't.
quiet.
Hey,